Ayan. So guys, I met Herbalife po, no? That was 10 years ago. Sandali lang guys. Okay. Wait lang. Stop share. Ayun. Okay, na-meet ko po Herbalife 10 years ago. Simple lang po yung invitation sa akin ni Mother Arlene noon, no? Tignan nyo lang how Herbalife can help you and your family. So I attended yung event. I think na-i-announce na siya kanina, no? Plus yung mega kickstart, no, na event. Ay, wag niyo po yung kalimutan. No? Because of that event, kasi hindi ko gusto yung lifestyle ko noon eh, 'di ba? Ako po ay former empleyado, part-time po ako na makeup artist, no? Very unhealthy, no, sa pagdating dun sa lifestyle, pagkain, ganyan. Yung na-discuss na 7 pillars of good health, yan. Guilty ako doon. Exercise, halos lahat kong nandun. Diba? Guilty ako doon. Hindi ko talaga na-achieve yun, no? And I'm just so glad that I found the solution dito sa Herbalife. Nag-start ako sa isang nutrition club. I found a community, amazing community, a very supportive community. Nag-lose ako ng 30 pounds, 8 inches sa bewang ko. Nagsimula lang ako bilang isang customer. Hindi ko po talaga in-expect no, na eto pala yung plan din talaga sa akin ni God. Because I was enjoying my work, okay naman, no? Paid off, okay din, di ba? Ang challenge ko lang talaga noon, dun sa health ko, no? I was trying to imagine ano kaya ang health ko ngayon without Herbalife Nutrition? I'm already 46 years old. No, tatlo ang aking anak. May Herbalife baby din po. I'm just so blessed that I'm not taking any maintenance medicines. Diba? Active, energetic. Ayun, yun po talaga yan ang pinakamaganda. And the best part, diba, yung journey mo of becoming more. Yung as you lose those unwanted pounds, yung mga excess na yan, pati yung hindi magandang pag-uugali na babawasan. Grabe guys, yan ang isa sa napakagandang solusyon na nabigay ng Herbalife at ng community. Bukod dun sa mga tabletas, kasi may favorite ako dyan eh, yung anti-bilbil tablet, yung mineral herbal complex yun na. Gusto-gusto ko yun, diba? Pang anti-cellulite, mga ganyan. And of course, we have the cell complex, ang favorite ko yan, yung Nightworks. Bukod po dyan, no, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung talagang sinasabi nating inner, yung inner mo pa, 'di ba? Ibang klase talaga. Nakakabait po dito sa Herbalife. At yung bukas natin na topic, yung Sunday natin special edition, yan po, huwag niyo po yung imi-miss out. Kasi it's really something na, alam mo yun, talagang will really help you move forward every single day. As in, sobrang ganda. That's why I really love Herbalife Nutrition. Ayan, sige. So ngayon guys, ang ganda ng topic ko today. And I want everyone to chat. No, I want everyone to get engaged. Diyan sa FB Live natin, tatanong niyo na ba ito sa sarili niyo? Na-experience niyo ba to? Okay, what if I can't lose weight? Diba? Weight management number 10. Of course, we have Dr. David Heber as our source here. Diba? Type 1 nga po. Coach, ako yan. Hindi na gumalaw yung timbang ko. Grabe, ilang buwan na, hindi pa din gumagalaw. Pwede ba kayo mag-type ng 1 if that's you? Pati din sa FB Live natin. Okay? Because why? This is the most frustrating question. Sabi nga ni Dr. David Heber, no? Sa journey natin to become healthier. No? So, yung hindi na gumalaw yung ating timbang. Diba? Ang sabi ni Dr. David Heber, sa weight management natin, kindly take note of this. You may take a screenshot if you want. If you're part of the community, ano to, meron tayong nasisend na ganito sa mga alaga natin. Ang sabi niya dito, yung weight management po, no, is supposed to lead to a steady weight loss of 1 pound or 0.5 kilos per week. No, for every 500 calories per day that you save from eating right and exercising. Period po yan, di yung question mark. Okay? So ilan? 1 pound po yan, ha? 1 pound. Okay? Did you know? Diba? The 1 pound or 0.5 kilos ha, per week. Every 500 calories, so, pakinak natin sa ating mga kinakain. However, ang sabi din po niya, yung weight loss sa totoong mundo, di ba, is not a straight line. So, let's go to the reality. Hindi talaga siya straight line. What do you mean? Ano sabi ni Dr. David Heber? Dadating talaga tayo sa time that you're gonna reach the plateau. Okay? Plateau ang tawag niya. So, as you can see, dito lang, para lang mas mabilis natin, okay, parang hindi na bumaba ulit yung timbang. No, or hindi siya dire-diretsong bumaba. Yung nandyan yan sa red, guys. Okay, yun yan, yung red line na nakikita nyo dyan sa screen. Okay? According to Dr. David Heber, Okay? Itong state na to, okay? Kumbaga, it's part of the story. It's part of your story. Okay? It's part of the process. Okay? Ang sabi niya, a little bump in the road po yan. Okay? A little bump in the road. And ang most common reason niya bakit humihinto din talaga yung pagbabawas, no? Ito siya, kumakain talaga tayo, okay? Masakit man tanggapin, but we have to face it. We're really eating too many calories and the wrong foods. Okay? Type 2 nga kayo kung tinamaan kayo dyan sa sinabi ko. Oink! Ouch! Diba? Eating too many calories and the wrong foods. Yan talaga yung most common reason natin. Bakit humihinto yung pagbabawas natin ng timbang. Kahit ano pang justification ang sabihin natin. Lalo na yung mga inumin na yan, no? Na justify natin parate, no? Take note of that, ha? Pero yung ano yung isang encouragement siya sa atin, di ba? We are this kind of community that you're in. So congratulations yung mga nakapasok dito, yung mga nanood sa FB Live, yung manonood mamaya. The community that you're in is a solution-driven community. We do not focus on the problem. No, hindi kami nag-e-emote doon sa problema na yun. Kaya huwag kang mag-emote na nasa plato ka. Ang sabi nga ni Dr. David Niebuhr, you have to keep going, you have to be patient, and do not get frustrated. Okay, kung na-frustrate ka man, okay, sandali lang. Tapos, okay, ano nang gagawin? Diba? Okay, ito exciting ha. What to do? Alright, are you ready? Okay, type 3, I'm ready, Coach Tin. Okay, let's go. What to do? Okay, of course, you have to get back on your plan. Okay, do you know your calorie wallet? Naririnig nyo to, no? Na-discuss din to ng mga nutritionists natin. Sila Dr. Susan Bowerman, yung cutting down of calories, having calorie wallet, is it effective for weight management? Proven yan, effective po yan. Okay? You have to get back on your plan. Yung mga coach ninyo, binigyan kayo ng mga calorie wallet. No? So that's why it's very important that you do not just buy your supply from anywhere else, but only, di ba, sa Herbalife with your coach. Bakit? Kasi tutulungan talaga nila kayo para ma-achieve yung mga goal ninyo. No? So this is just a typical example of a 1,300 calories, okay, sufficient and nutrient dense na klase ng meal plan guide. Okay, example lang po yan. Okay, so you get back to your plan. Okay, kung nakalimutan mo, get back to your coach. Mamaya, meron din tayo niyan dito. Okay, what to do? Ito din yun, no? So you get back on your protein shakes and balanced nutrition with daily exercise. All right? So guys, as you could see, ba't ganun? Bakit kailangan pa ulit na magte-take ako ng shake? Kung nakinig kayo mabuti kanina dun sa explanation na napakagaling na coach natin, si Coach Jane, no? Na teacher po yan, by profession, di ba? Ngayon, teacher na sa Herbalife yan, napakagaling, no? Kung nakinig kayo mabuti sa kanya, pinaliwanag niya, di ba? Yung importance ng mga nutrition na tinatawag natin. Yung shake po natin, hindi yan pampapayat lang. So these are really a balanced nutrition meal. It really feeds your cells, no? Hindi lang stomach ang pinapakain niya, pati yung cells po ninyo. Okay? Kapag ka ganun yung nangyayari, busog yung cells mo, hindi siya nagsasend ng signal sa brain mong, baby, gutom ka, kain ka na. No? Ganyan siya. Alright? And of course, balance, no? Kaya din smart meal po natin siya. Bakit? Hindi mo na kailangan isipin paano ko mamimit lahat yung kailangan kong nutrients. Meron akong kailangan ng mga macronutrients. May mga micronutrients ako. So baka ano tayo dyan? Baka mag-nosebleed tayo pag-iisip, di ba? So si Herbalife, ayan po yan. Nandyan na po yan sa isang baso ng shake natin. And of course, we have this balanced nutrition. We do not like, okay, sige lang, yung iba nag-no carbs, but I don't think that would work. We always support the balanced nutrition. Okay? Kailangan natin ng 40% carbohydrates, kailangan natin ng 30% protein, kailangan natin ng 30% of fat, and with all of the things there, pati yung fiber, no? The 25 grams of fiber, kailangan din natin yan. At of course, we need to get our body moving. Okay? Yung daily exercise na sinasabi natin. Our body is designed to move, not just to lie down sa ating mga kama all throughout the day o kaya umupo ka lang maghapon. So, hindi dyan dinesign. Okay? Dinesign talaga tayo to move. Okay? Kaya yan po ang napaka-importante, ha? daily exercise, as you can see. Coach, ilang minutes yung mga exercise na yan? 15 to 30 minutes, guys. And take note, we have this here in our community every Thursday. Don't miss it. Online yan, pasok kayo dito sa Zoom. Okay, pag Thursday yon, the rest of the days, you can do it on your own. Ha? Alright, ano pa? Eto na, no? So, get back on healthy and active lifestyle. I won't discuss this further. Kung nakinig kayo kanina, grabe, ang isa sa mga ano namin yan, pillars of good health, ang tawag ko din niya kila Ate Cecil Garcia, no? Imagine niyo she's 57, diba? 27 years as Herbalife. She discussed the 7 pillars of good health. It's just so amazing. Diba? Na nagagawa niya lahat yon sa kanyang edad. But please take note, guys, no, that healthy living is a lifetime commitment po. Okay, and again, it's a journey. It's a journey. No? So meron talaga tayong challenges along the way. But if you don't have someone or a community to journey with you, it's easy for us to give up and just really stop. Ganun po siya, no? So, kaya ako medyo nai-stir up na yung heart mo dyan, no? Kailangan ko na ulit kontakin ng coach ko. Huwag ka na mag-atubili, okay? Okay, huwag ka na mag-atubili, ha? To get back on healthy and active lifestyle, okay? Now, guys, may nabanggit din dito si Dr. David Weaver. Gusto kong marinig yung mga kababaihan, ha? Mag-type nga kayo dyan ng 4. Or, ako yan. Diba? Yung lagi natin sinasabi, ako, hindi ako nagbabawas ng timbang kasi meron ako ngayon. Diba? Kayo ba yan? Meron kasi ako ngayong period. So kaya hindi ko ma-control yung cravings ko, ganyan. Ayaw na talagang gumalaw ng timbang ko, no? Paki-picturehan niyo po ito kasi this is very important. Okay? Sabi po niya, yung mga kababaihan, usually nagiging talaga tayo ng little weight at the end of our monthly cycle. Okay, sabi niya lang dyan. May mga nakalagay pa siya dyan, di ba? Pero ang keyword niya dyan, hang on, and huwag kang mag-focus dyan. Mag-focus ka pa rin sa healthy and active lifestyle mo. Okay? So, yun ang kanyang tip, si Dr. David Weaver. Alright? Sige. Another cause pa ng plateau. Okay, plateau pala. Okay, another cause ng plateau. Kasi nag-build ka naman ng muscle pala. 'Di ba? So, kaya very important ang regular monitoring po ninyo. No? So if you have like the nearest nutrition club, dyan sa community mo, go to that nutrition club or go back to your coach and set your appointment para sa follow-up assessment. Not unless you already have this body composition na scan monitor na nakikita kung ilan yung muscle gain mo, di ba? Kasi pwede din yun, no? Kaya pala hindi gumalaw yung timbang kasi nag-build pala ako ng muscle, nadagdagan yung muscle ko, di ba? So, you can also have or work with your coach to set in your target weight if ever po. So yeah. And ito lang din, no? Sabi niya yung pagbabawas natin ng timbang para siyang sino dito ang type 5. Nakasakay na ako ng eroplano. Sige, type 5 yung mga nakasakay na ng plane. Okay, sige. Kasi sabi po niya dyan, yung paglo-lose natin ng weight is like a landing, a plane at an airport. Di ba yung plane pagka pababa na, naramdaman nyo ba? Bumabagal na yung pagbaba niya. Hindi naman tayo, vroom, di ba? Ganon, tapos bilang stop, hindi siya ganon. No? So, sa journey natin for weight loss, as you approach your target weight, the amount of weight you lose per day normally goes down. So, pabagal talaga. Diba? So, ako naman, ang encouragement ko parate, be patient and really stay focused. Ha? So, kasama talaga yan sa journey. Okay? It's part of the process. Okay? Again, like what I said, yung weight loss natin, straight line for anyone. Diba? Hindi nga, no? Hindi talaga siya dire-diretso na pababa or diretso lang na straight. Okay? Para talaga siyang paganyan. Diba? May mga ups and downs po tayo. No? And of course, all right, this is really my encouragement. Okay? And of course, Dr. David Weaver too. No? So, you really closely work with your Herbalife coach. Okay, to help and guide you achieve not just your target weight, guys. So at the end of the day, I always tell this to yung mga alaga namin. We are not focusing on the abs. We're not focusing on the sexy stuff. But we are really focusing on your health and wellness. Diba? Yun yung sinasabi nating priceless na you're already at this age and you can do everything that you want to do. Travel the world, go to anywhere you want to go. Diba? Alam mo yon, dahil ikaw ay healthy at nakakapaglakad pa, 'di ba? So yan po yan ha. So get in touch with your coach. Kasi po, yung pong shake na yan, like what we always say, I want to reiterate this. Diba? That's why we discourage you to buy from anywhere, but just really from Herbalife and with your coach. Bakit po? Yung po mga coach niyo, yan ang voice ng product na yan. Yung coach po na yan, napaka-amazing niya. Nag-a-attend ng mga training yan para talagang matulungan kayo na ma-achieve yung mga goals. Kaya, kung nag-chat sila sa inyo, huwag niyo pong i-scene mode. Okay. So, yeah. So, please go back to them. All right. And let's go and crush that goals. Ayan. Sige po. I'll get, ibabalik ko na kayo kay Ate Coach Jessie ko. Diba? All the way from Batangas.